Imagine. Good luck. 20x cash in from Tops.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Available for most, same as Bet on All numbers, good luck, Bet on All bonus games features, Forex and TOPSLOT. These features might help you bet faster, perhaps save you some time during the betting process. Oh, looks like Ante has arrived. Come on! Yay! Yay! Back-to-back Plinko and last round with me, dear players. So let's go straight back to Plinko. Maybe we can hit something higher. Previous two Plinko for 20x each, as I just said. But generally, it can go from 2 up to 200x. There also could be. I apologize for the inconvenience, ladies and gentlemen. We'll continue as soon as possible. We need to wait for assistance before we continue, so thank you so much for understanding, ladies and gentlemen. I hope they're going to keep that 200 there because we really need it, but yeah. My apologies, ladies and gentlemen. We'll continue as soon as possible. Ooh, little dance break, yeah. Yeah, not good at dancing. Let's go, let's go. I apologize for inconvenience, players. We'll continue as soon as possible. Thank you so much for your patience. Alright. So hopefully we'll be able to continue soon. Feel free to drop a message in the chat. Where are you from? What's your favorite pizza? And stuff. Mine's actually controversial opinion. My favorite pizza is chicken and pineapple. I think it's the best. Yeah, Ante, you also like chicken and pineapple? Girl. Ante is a real one, guys. You have to respect her just for the fact she likes chicken and pineapple on a pizza. Because that's the correct opinion. Alright, I apologize for inconvenience. We'll continue as soon as possible. Thank you so much for your patience, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for understanding. We just have to wait for assistance before we continue. And shout outs from Latvia. Welcome newcomers. Welcome back. You has returned to Crazy Town. So nice to see you. I'm your host, Alice. By the way, this is the last round together, so we better end with a bang out here. Looks like we're able to continue, are we? Thank you so much. That was the yes. Highest is a 200. Okay. We need it. We need it. Sir, ma'am. Good luck, everybody. Sana all. Let's drop it. Woo! Woohoo! Come on.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,093,677 euros.
Oh, thank you, universe. Woo, 11,000 winners. See ya. Have fun out. So thank you.
Hey. Well, guys. That was a bang. Betting time is open. Place your bets. Hi, by the way. My name's Anta. I'll be your new host for the next session. Final seconds. Pow. 2x on coin flip. Pachinko! Follow me, guys. Here we go. Excuse me. Two X, 3X, 7, 10, 15, 20, 40, 100X, double, 100X maximum, and we also have double right there next to it, so let's see where we're dropping from. Okay, woo, fair winds, guys, let's go. Come here, baby, give us the joy of a sweet double X, wow, okay, let's go back up, 200X maximum, hopefully this drop zone will also be fergalicious, so, 10, let's drop it down. And give me something good. Burgalicious. Okay, this time a little bit there. Another double maybe, or...
This is the amount of money issued 1,622,720 euros.
Congratulations to the winner.
Flash. Bum, 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 ba-da-da-da-da-dum. All right, guys, bags are closed. Here we go. Good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, 4x on a cash hunt. And we land. Ah, there's our patchy. Let's go. Yoo-hoo! Ladies and gentlemen, time for some pachinko action, I think. Welcome to pachinko, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at those multipliers. So, we will be starting off with a 5x. That will be the lowest. Got some 5s, 7s, 10s, 15, 20s, 25, 40, 200x on the line. Alrighty then. Guys, these weak arms are heavy. Mom spaghetti. Good luck, everybody. Okay, how are we doing here? Good. Very good. Left. Keep it left. Keep it left.
This is the amount of money issued 800 to 1,076 euros.
Congratulations! Yoo-hoo! There we go. 10,227 winners. NLS top win 38,000 euros. Dollar bills, y'all. All right, last second.
Thank you so much. Voting time is open now once again. Feel free to join the account already. Geop, Pink, and Nini, top 3 winners. Thank you. Let's go. We need apple. Go ahead and get an apple. Euro, papa, Euro, papa. It looks like he just got from the shower. Wow, that's so great. Good luck. 5x on cash on. Well, now would be a good time to get the cash on. Cash on is the only bonus game we haven't had yet. Use sign. The winner of Eurovision is... Woo! Cash Hunt! 5x multiplier. Perfect time to get it. Thank you, Euro Papa. Let's look at the wall. All right, everybody, we got a 75 and a 100, but... I see it. You see the same thing. 5x added. Oh, we got a 500x there. 375x, 100, we got a 250, we got beautiful multipliers here on the wall, guys. What you have to do, let me catch a breath first. I got way too excited. Okay, well, 108 symbols on the wall. They're all mixed up. Now they're black and white. It is go time, baby. Go time. Make that decision. We have 108 symbols. There's a multiplier underneath all of them. And with that top slot, they're beautiful. 375x, 500x, 100x, 150x. Beautiful multipliers. Guys, you will end up with a beautiful multiplier.
This is the amount of money issued 677,050 euros.
Somehow I did see it. 500x is right there. My congratulations to all of you, because those are some beautiful wins. 13,568 of you. Congratulations, Born Paul Maria, top 3 winners. Amazing! You're up, Papa. We got a 375. Let's go. Let's go. Enjoy, guys.
Okay. What are we going to find here? Let's take a look. Crazy time with a 2x in the top slots. All right. I wouldn't say no to crazy time, you know. I wouldn't say no. Yeah, let's go. 2x top slot for the crazy time. And you know what this means? We're going through the red door. Come on, guys. Follow me. Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen, lovely, happy hero, the big, huge, super duper crazy time wheel with the 3 flappers. You know it's gonna go, right? You know it's gonna go. Everything's gonna get multiplied by 2 right now, thanks to the top slot bonus, which is amazing. Yeah. All right, here we go. Let me see, what's the biggest multi here this time? First of all, I guess everybody's choosing their flappers. Green, blue, yellow. Those are the options, guys. Choose wisely. A lot depends on it. Most popular flapper, once again, as I see, is blue one with the... No, 40% of people took it. 200x max multi. Let's go. Bam! And around it goes! Okay. So, the big moments. Will we get the 200? Okay. Ooh. Double for the green. All right, 50 on blue, 30 on yellow. Double for the green. Those who pick the green flapper, get ready, guys. Flex your muscles and everything, and let's hope for the best. Maximum multiply 400x. Let's push it again. Real soft this time. Maybe soft approach works better. I don't know. Here we go. No. Green team. Green team, double again. What? Okay, guys. Green team this time is definitely the team to go with, right? All right. There we go. Another double 800x max multiply. Soft approach works. So let's try it again. There we go. Bam. Super soft. And 800x was the maximum one. We're playing for the green team.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,051,550 euros.
Hey, that's pretty nice. 280x on the green flapper. Let's go. Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Wonderful to be back. 8,000 winners in total. Top winner, Baron, with 28,000 cash. Perfect. For the green team, 280x. That's quite a big, guys. So compliments. That was a good one. We got them 2 doubles, which was kind of cool. Doesn't happen all the time, right? And, yeah, moving on.
Congratulations. I'm Sarah Micon compliments on the top winners betting time. Once again, hello new players. Welcome to the crazy time. What's up with you today? What's for dinner, guys? What's y'all eating today? Also, feel free to try out autoplay. Might come in handy for some of you. Bets closed. Good luck with the new round. Hi, Mark. What's up? 7x Pachinko. Can we do it? Come on. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Pachinko. 7x from the TOPSLOT. Woohoo! Oh, yeah. You know, just another day here. I'm kidding. Welcome to Pachinko. This should be good. I hope it's good. Starting off with 5, 7, 10s, 15s, 20, 25, 35, 50. Oh, good. Okay. Chill. 350x on the line. Oh, my days. Now, for real, guys, these weak coins are heavy and mom's spaghetti. Best wishes to you. Enjoy. Is it going where it's supposed to? How are we doing? Right.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,826,945 euros.
Oh my days! 14,126 winners cubed, top win 35,000 euros, just like that. Betting time. Wow. Oh, that was so amazing. Good job, guys. I'm proud of you. Let's go. I'm so happy you won money. Good luck, everybody, with the new round. Forex crazy time now. This is getting out of hand here.
That's a lot. Imagine. Come on, coin flip. Do it. 20x. It's right there. Be nice. Come on. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the coin flip. Oh, this should be good. Oh, check this out. Ladies and gentlemen, check this out. You ready? Yo, okay, well, either you're gonna hate me or love me, but anyway, 40x and 300x on the blue one.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,135,830 euros.
300x victory. Not bad. 7.9 thousand winners. Look at the top 5. 160, 138, 50, 30, and 30,000. money victories. Let's go. I love to see that. Love to see that.
€94 into the list, €921 payout. My congratulations. Betting time is yours. Let's go with a new spin. No bets. Good luck. 20x cash in from TOPSLOT. Whoa. Come on. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen. Cash out with 20x from TOPSLOT. The Baba Power, guys. This might be huge. Right, let's check out the multipliers. Some 100x, 25x, some 10x. But guys, wait a second. 20x multiplying everything. So the biggest multiplier right now, we got a 2000x. The Baba Power, guys. I'm telling ya. So the carousel has been started. You know the drill. You know what to do, right? Wow. This is cray. This is crazy, guys. I'm telling you. All right, so decision time. Take a good aim, take a good shot, and try to hunt down this 2000x. But if you don't want to do it yourself, you're more than welcome to use the auto pick.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,596,265 euros.
Let's check it out. Who got it? Ipo, Devo, Bingo, Opal, Laura with a 2000x, 8,409 winners in total. Double F on top of the list with
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.